Hi cuties, very good morning to all. In our today's class, we have to discuss our interesting topic, our festivals. What is mean by festival? Festival. It's a full fun day. It's a special day. Okay, in our school also, if they are asking to wear color dress means that is a special day. That is the festival, right? So in our festival time, what we will do? We can share our things, we are sharing our gifts, we are sharing our snacks with our neighbors, with our relatives, with our friends. So full fun and enjoyment, that is the special day. Okay, so festival is divided into three type of festivals. First one is national festival, second one is religious festival, and third one is harvesting festival. In this video, we have to see what is mean by national festivals and what are the types belongs to national festivals. Second one is harvesting festivals. So religious festival means so many festivals are there. So we will see the religious festivals in the second video. Okay, goodies. So what is mean by national festival, ma? What's our country? Which is our country? India is our country. So festival, which festival is celebrated by all the Indians means that is called national festival. For example, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Those are the national independence. What is mean by independence? Independence is nothing but once upon a time we were always strict with British government rules. So that time our leaders, they were fighted for us and they were fighted with the British government and finally they got the freedom. Okay, on August 15, 1947 they got the freedom from our British government. That day only celebrated as a Independence Day by all the Indians. Okay, as a Indian we have to proud to be a Indian and we have to thank our leaders. Okay, so every Independence Day our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. Okay, in our schools, in our colleges, in any many main places they used to hoist the flag and they used to distribute the chocolates, sweets, and they used to celebrate in front of the national flag. That is the special for the Independence Day. And Republic Day is also nothing but it's like a Independence Day, but somewhat difference is there. We got a freedom from a kings. Okay, after British government our kings and queens only they ruled us. At that time again we got the decision, our leaders they just made somewhat rearrangement and they put vote and they elected the leaders on 26th January 1950. So every year 26th January we are celebrating as a Republic Day and we are selecting our leaders. It is a colorful parade will be happen in our New Delhi at Rashtrapati. Our main leader is Mahatma Gandhi. He is the main leader to receive the freedom from our British government. That is what